The Andalusian osprey chicks were learning to fly during this visit. I presume none had left the nest as of July the 9th when this was captured. Good one. Either the mother decided to get out of the way from getting bopped on the head by flapping wings, or figured she'd show her offspring how to fly. The adult birds try to prompt their young to leave the nest for their first flights. Looks like she dove in to get a fish, but came up empty-clawed. The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Channel Dredger has been busy this summer working on the Delaware River. They've been all along the waterway, clearing the channel where necessary. Doesn't faze the Andalusian birds. The boat is far enough away from their nest. That's Mud Island at low tide. An abandoned conveyor system which led to a now-defunct concrete factory in Delanco, New Jersey, seen on the right. That's the Penryn Osprey's nest on the left atop the yellow channel marker. McFarland has made the bend at Logan's Point and is on its way towards the Burlington-Bristol Bridge. These are shots of the full buck moon over Delanco, New Jersey at the Delaware River on July the 9th. Here are the herringbone ospreys. Only 2 of the 3 chicks are visible on July the 15th. Downstream, about a half a mile from the herringbone birds, 2 of the 3 penguin chicks are in the nest. The male is on the left and 1 of the 2 females is on the right. Gesundheit. The other female has learned to fly already. She moved over onto the solar panel to get a better look at me. A gaggle of Canadian geese. The female from the solar panel flew back into the nest. The male chick has learned to fly as well and had taken off prior to this. That's the mother. She's back with a fish for her hungry brood. And there's the male chick, who abruptly steals the fish and keeps it for himself. The 2 females aren't happy campers. Meanwhile, the mother minds her own business and lets the chicks fend for themselves. They sure are noisy birds. Another day, another job for the McFarland, cruising past towards Burlington again. The male chick got spooked by the ship and flew off, but an intruder osprey tried to steal the fish from him unsuccessfully. The young bird flew back with his meal to the nest, and the intruder flew away. That's her above. This is Bunker Pond at Cape May Point State Park in New Jersey. The small Ardeidae behind the mute swan is called a snowy egret. Reminds me of Groucho Marx, the way he walks around. The rest of these birds are common terns. This is a World War II U.S. Army bunker that's on the beach at the Atlantic Ocean in Cape May Point. Feisty little heron. Certainly a beautiful and graceful bird. Lastly, atop a set of lamps in the Philadelphia men's jail yard sits one of the Pennypack Park on the Delaware bald eagles. The jail's property sits north across Pennypack Creek. Well, that's all for now. See you next time.